Hi, this is Bill Fournet, CEO of the Persimmon Group. And one of the things I hear from so many leaders right now is, how do I know if my team is working on the right things? And especially in this environment today, how do we know if we're moving the needle forward to the results or what success looks like for us as an organization? To that end, I've created a special micro session class for you called Outcomes Over Actions, setting your team up for success in a virtual environment. And in this session, I'm going to teach you one of my favorite techniques. It's called Leader's Intent. It helps to define what that outcome of success looks like. And in this session, you're going to learn the technique. You're going to work on applying intent in a couple of different situations specific to you and your team. And then in our live session, we're going to review some of those intent statements. You're going to get better at it so you can go immediately and start using this technique to move the needle with your team immediately. I love it. It's a game changer application and an awesome technique to be able to apply. So come join me. I look forward to seeing you.